The Renaissance. Renaissance means rebirth. It refers to the revival of classical learning. It was between the 14th and the 16th century. It brought a revival in different fields like social life, religion, art, architecture, literature, and science. Renaissance started in Italy. The capital of the Eastern Roman Empire was captured by Turks in 1453. The Greek scholars fled from there. They were welcomed in Italy. Their presence gave a new enthusiasm for classical learning. During the Middle Ages, people were blinded by superstitions, faith, and authority. In social life, Renaissance taught people to have a critical view of everything. It gave a spirit of inquiry, freedom of thought and action. Social, political, and religious ideas were revolutionized. A great change came in men's attitude toward themselves and the world. Renaissance made a landmark in the history of the world. The invention of printing press in 1454 by a German named Gutenberg made a revolution. It broke the monopoly of learning possessed by churchmen. Books became cheaper and more plentiful. With the spread of knowledge, the questioning attitude of the people developed. Another important invention was the mariner's compass. This helped sailors to undertake longer voyages. In 1492, Columbus discovered America. In 1498, Vasco da Gama reached Calicut through the Cape of Good Hope. In 1519, Magellan took a voyage in the Pacific Ocean. In 1522, his lieutenant Sebastian Delcano completed the first circumnavigation of the world. In Middle Ages, Earth was thought to be the center of the universe, as thought by Ptolemy of Egypt. In the 16th century, Copernicus of Holland discovered that the sun was the center of the universe. Kepler and Galileo revealed the solar system as we know it today. Dent, Petrarch, and Boccaccio prepared the ground for Renaissance in Italy. The enthusiasm to read Greek and Latin reached its heights in Italy. It increased classical learning, intellectual enthusiasm, criticism, and reach in all fields of learning. In sculpture, the first great apostle of Renaissance was Lorenzo Ghiberti. The most famous painters were Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, Raphael, and Titan. The Last Supper and Mona Lisa are the great paintings of Leonardo. The Last Judgment was the most famous painting of Michelangelo. In architecture too, Roman and Greek styles with columns and round arches and domes became famous. The greatest literary Renaissance figure was the Dutch scholar Erasmus. He published the Greek text of the Bible with Latin translation. In religion, Renaissance resulted in Reformation. It resulted in the split of the church into Catholic and Protestant. Martin Luther, the leader of Reformation, translated the Old and New Testament into German. William Tyndale translated the Bible into English. The greatest figure of literary Renaissance was Erasmus, a Dutch scholar. His famous book was The Price of Folly. He also translated the New Testament into Latin. In England, literary Renaissance started with Thomas More. His famous book was Utopia, meaning now here. Spencer wrote the first English epic Faerie Queene. Ben Jonson, Francis Bacon, and Marlowe were other famous writers. Marlowe is considered the father of English tragedy. Renaissance in religion has two movements: Reformation and Counter Reformation. William Tyndale translated the Bible into English in 1540. Ignatius of Loyola found the Society of Jesus with the Counter Reformation started. There came a split in church. Those who opposed the Pope called themselves Protestants. Conclusion. Thus, Renaissance brought a change in social life, religion, art, literature, and science. Thank you for your watching.